Ready to unlock the secret to making your Zoho CRM talk to everything else. First, let's navigate to Webhooks. Within Zoho CRM you'll find it under Setup, then Automation, and finally, Webhooks. This is where the magic happens. Now, hit that Create Webhook button. Let's give our webhook a name that makes sense, like Notify Slack. Choose the module you want to trigger this webhook from, for example, Leads. Next, define your event trigger. Decide when you want the webhook to fire, perhaps when a new lead is created, a lead is updated, or even deleted. Select the option that fits your needs. In the URL field, paste the endpoint URL of the application you want Zoho CRM to send data to. Select the HTTP method. Usually post or put at any parameters you need to send, mapping Zoho CRM fields to the parameters your external application requires. Almost there. Click Save, and Zoho CRM will attempt to connect to the URL you enter and fetch the AP or response from the external system. And just like that, your webhook is live. Now, every time the trigger event occurs in Zoho CRM, your specified data will automatically be sent to your external application, automating workflows and connecting your systems. Go forth and integrate.